Hello guys, welcome to solve this problem. I am this much years old, so we have to find how much this value will be. So as you have seen from the problem, we have factorials, and we have sine function, we have logarithm, we have matrix, we have binomial coefficient, and also we have radicals, and we have power 4. So in order to solve this problem, we have to solve each of the expressions individually. So for simplification, let's eliminate this radical, so solution. So as you have seen the problem, the square root of 3 times 3 factorial plus 3 to 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 to 3 plus 6 to 5 divided by log of 10 plus the square root of sine pi. This is a whole 1 over 2. So we have 4. So by using a power of m to power of n, which can be written as a power of m times n. So by using this expression, we can multiply this 4 by 1 over 2. So it will be 1 over 2 times 4. So it will be square, and it will be 2. So this square can eliminate this radical. So the remaining term will be 3 times 3 factorial plus the given matrix 3 to 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 plus 6 by 5 divided by log of 10 plus the square root of sine pi. So we can solve this expression, each and every expression individually. So let's begin with the factorial. So if we have given n factorial, so n factorial can be n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3 up to 1. So in our case, we have 3 times 3 factorial. So it will be 3 times 3 factorial means 3 times 2 times 1, which is 3 times 6, 8. So we have finished this part. And also let's continue with logarithm. So simply logarithm log of 10 to the base 10 is 1. And the next one, which is, let's continue with this binomial expression, binomial coefficient. So it's not a fraction, but it's a binomial coefficient. So a binomial coefficient, which is given as m to n, can be determined by m factorial divided by n factorial into m minus n factorial. So in our case, we have m factorial, which is 6 to 5. So it will be 6 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 6 minus 5 factorial, which is 6 times 5 times 4 times 2, 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 5 factorial, 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 1 factorial, which is simply 1. So this 2 is eliminated, 3 is eliminated, 4 is eliminated, 5 is eliminated, and the remaining will be 6. So we have 18 here, we have 18 here, and we have 6 here, and here we have 1 here, and so the term will be, the problem will be 18 plus 3, given matrix 3 to 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, plus 6 divided by 1 plus the square root of sine pi. So now let's continue with sine pi. So by using the unit circle, we can determine how much sine pi will be. So considering unit circle, which is 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1. So we have 0 here, and when we go, starting from this point, we have pi over 2 here, and here we have pi. So sine pi, which is equal to sine of 180, is 0. So the square root of sine pi, which is equal to the square root of 0, will be 0. So now this will be 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So something divided by 1 is itself. So the remaining term will be 80 plus the given matrix 3 to 1, 0, 1, 0, and 1, 2, 3, plus 6. So how to solve this one? So the remaining of the, so we have this expression. So let's determine the determinants of this matrix 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, and 1, 2, 3. So in order to determine the determinants of this matrix, let's take the 2 columns and write next to the given matrix 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 0. Then let's begin with, so this one takes the diagonals. So 3 times 3, that's 9. 0 times 2 times 1, 0. 1 times 2 times 0, 0. So which is equal to, we have 9 minus. So let's take this diagonal. 1 times 1 times 1, 1. 0 times 2 times 3, 0. And 3 times 2 times 0, which is 0. Minus 1, which is 8. So the determinant of this matrix is 8. So now we have the final value, which is 18 plus 18 plus 8 plus 6. So 18 plus 6, that's 26, plus 6, which is equal to 32. So I am 32 years old. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.